Most Revered Secretary Mataji, teachers, and my dear children. Namaskar and a very happy Earth Day to all of you. Today, as we celebrate Earth Day, let us remember something we often forget in our busy lives. That this planet on which we live is not just a ball of rock and water. She is our mother, our Bhumi Mata. Just like any loving mother, she gives us everything: food to eat, water to drink, air to breathe, trees to shade us, flowers to delight us. And she asks for nothing in return, only love, care, and respect. In our tradition, the first act of the day is to bow down to Mother Earth. Even before we step out of bed, we gently touch the ground and seek forgiveness for touching Mother Earth with our feet by chanting the mantra, Samudra Vasane Devi, Parvatastana Mandale, Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam, Pada Sparsham Shamaswami. Children, imagine starting every morning like this, with gratitude in your heart and gentleness in your actions. If you do this, you will never be able to hurt the Mother Earth. You will live mindfully and become protectors of this beautiful planet. But what is happening today? Rivers are getting polluted, trees are being cut down, plastic is choking the soil and sea. So much waste, so much harm. Can we ever treat our own biological mothers like this? Never. Then how can we treat our Mother Earth this way? It's time to stop, to wake up, and to make a promise to ourselves and to the planet. Let us all take this Earth Day pledge. I will begin each day by making pranam to Mother Earth with gratitude. I will say no to plastic, carry my own bottle, lunchbox, and cloth bag. I will plant at least one tree every year. I will switch off lights and fans when not needed and save electricity. I will respect all living beings, even the smallest ant or bird. I will keep my surroundings clean and green. Dear children, remember, when we care for the earth, she cares for us 100 times more. May our beloved Mother Earth bless us with the wisdom to protect her. Thank you. Jai Bhumi Mata, Jai Hind.
Hello flowers, hello trees, hello buzzing honeybees, hello sunshine, sky so blue, hello earth, we care for you. Earth is full of things to see, for all friends like you and me. Let's be kind and take good care, Earth Day love is everywhere. Hello mountains, hello seas, hello whispering, gentle breeze, hello birds up in the sky, Earth needs help from...
Say no to plastic. Save energy. Recycle. Don't pollute. Save water. Protect nature. Go green. Plant trees. Save oceans.
Hello Earth,